We are back. Welcome, my friends, here on our channel Countryside Dream. Today we are going to finally start play with the bricks. So we have here really critical and really important part of our house building project. Guys, we are going to start really build the walls. As the material for my future house, I chose real bricks from a company called HELUZ. It's a local manufacturer, local producer of the bricks from Czech Republic, so it's not that far from our location, and I chose it because it's really like a wall. If you build it from a HELUZ material, it's a wall with no need of additional thermal insulation with the styrofoam. It's also super accurate. The tolerance of one brick is just the 1 millimeter. So the crucial part, what we are going to start today, is the measurement of future walls with super high accuracy, and then we are going to lay the first mortar layer with which we will level whole space under or below the future walls with really accuracy for 1 millimeter. So as I mentioned, the first step is to really measure future house. Yesterday I prepared such a wooden construction with ropes to achieve the correct angles of the future walls, and then I also marked the future corners of my house on every single spot. So we have 4 corners, and now we are going to just measure it. If everything is okay, if the angles are correct, then we are able to continue with the mortar. All these measurements, all these checks is a super important part of construction projects. I can tell you it's really at the end most important part, because for example today I'm going to measure everything, really prepare everything, check if I have all machinery, all material, everything is here, bring it here on the top, really be ready, and tomorrow I'm going to just put the mortar on the top. Because if you are going to do it in a single day, then after all this preparation you will be already tired. Next day morning, as I told you yesterday, everything is measured, we already have a machines, everything prepared, and we are going to lay the first mortar layer under the bricks. Yeah, so here we go. My friend, so look, we start here with the corner, we continue, and we are going to prepare such a beautiful mortar layer all around the future walls. But it's super, I can tell you, super detailed work, but it has to be done. My friend, so this is the progress. We have maybe the half of the future house. All these down there. Now we have a little pause. We need to catch breath, have a tea, and then we will continue. It was a really long and tough day, but we did it. All mortar is applied where future walls will be. We have the elevation accurate for 1 millimeter. So now we will wait till the mortar will be hard, and then we are ready to start with the bricks. We will see next day. And here we have a next day, guys. So the mortar layer is already hardened. Look at this, I can walk on it. Everything is leveled, even measured by little ropes. So now finally is the time, and now we are going to lay and put and measure the corner bricks. Yeah, it have to be super accurate, because now we are going to set the accuracy for the whole future house, especially for our angles. Here we go. By the way, the bricks for the first layer are 38 centimeters thick, and it's filled by styrofoam. Yeah, styrofoam. It's because it's a bottom layer of the future wall, and it's just additional isolated. By the way, the next layers will be done by these bricks, and it's a 50 centimeters, and this additional 12 will go to the outside. So here will be the 20 centimeters space for additional styrofoam insulation. So yeah, somebody was thinking when he developed these bricks. I really love it. now we are in a spot where I need to cut in a brick the space for a future toilet. Yeah, it's a sewage pipe here. Look at that. So we finish it here, and for tomorrow I'm left with this side and this little piece. And the first super accurate layer of bricks will be done, and then we are not limited and we can really build the whole walls. So we will see tomorrow. Next day and the last day of the preparation of the first layer, guys. Today I'm going to finish the first one. So as you know, I ended here. So for today, beautiful afternoon, I need to finish just this side and this little piece. I think everything is measured, everything is prepared, so it will be super quick afternoon. So first row of bricks is finished. Look at that. It's all around main entrance, big portal, the terrace, and this is everything is finished, leveled, measured. So it's properly ready to really lay these huge bricks on the top of it, my friends. And the last step, what I need to do today is I'm going to fill these joints with a foam, yeah, in the corners, and we will be done. So, corners are finished. It was nothing, yeah. And guys, this is the end of the video, yeah, when we laid the first layer of the future walls. So guys, I can tell you it was a hell of the work to make it really accurate, measure it. So we definitely deserve your subscription, comment, like, whatever. And yeah, be aware of our next video, because now it will be really quick. So next time